Okay, now I will show you how to create the page setup. So that is, now you see uh, whatever we have done till now, we have created the themes and few products with the category, and the default theme is like this. So now we have to make this page as per our own requirement, or it has to be beautifying. Okay, so now the default menu was home, cart, checkout, my account, shop. So if we are going to the shop, then this is coming like this. So there are two categories. Okay, so the categories, one was for the men's t-shirt and other was for the men's kurta. So if we directly we can go from here, so we can see these both categories. Then we can select, again there are options like if we choose the color and size combinations, things like that. Okay, so this already we have done. Now what I want, this shop page, I'll customize it. Okay. So that means I'll set a particular block and these buttons, option, beautifying this, the color changing, background colors, all these things. So let's see how to set up my shop page. So for that we have to create a template. So I'll go to add new template. So here we have to choose a template called like product archive. Okay. And we can give a template name like my template. So create the template. So here all products you can just nothing to do here, just insert this. So no need to go to the get started, so it will take you to the email ID and all this thing, nothing you need to do it. So just we can, we have already inserted, so we can close it. Okay, so to directly come to the Elementor page, and by the way you need to install Elementor plugin before doing this. Okay, so now as of now I am coming out and yeah, just show you where is it created. So if now we go to the template, so we go into the add new, so then we can see the previously created, so we can delete these things. previously created for practice purpose. So let it. So now see, just now I created my own template. Fine. So it is showing here. Now we can edit it. So we have to edit using edit with Elementor. Okay. So it's quite looking similar as previous. Like we have to create the container, then we have to add the products. But here now everything is your WooCommerce specific. So you will get the widgets like uh, products, then WooCommerce pages, categories, kind of things. So first of all, we have to add one template. Let I am creating 4 blocks. Okay. So now I have to add the element here. So here I want the product categories. I am adding the product categories. So it is showing me I will do product category. Okay. So I can further make it divided how many columns, how many rows. So let one column. Columns, 2 rows. So I have actually 2 categories. So one is undergarments and one is clothing category. So now if we go to the style page, so there you can set the column gap, row gap, border type, so image border type. So image border type will be solid, so solid. And border width we can set is now the title color you can set. You can be a red color or pink color. So this title color is being changed. Now we can give the background color of this. So we have to go to the advanced section. Then we have background. In background, you can set the background color, or you can even go for the gradient. So if you go for the gradient, the main color let select green, go with blue. So it will be looking like something like this. So change the image title color so that it's prominent, it will be visible, making it black. Okay. Now I'm going back elements. So I want to change, means I want to add some elements here. So here in this block I have given the clothing category, and here I want to give the products. So here see by default all products are coming here. So same like this I can change the product. So how many products you want to display, rows and colors. Okay, and you can change the style. If you want, you can increase the color gap, rows gap, and image border type again. So sorry, so the image border is increased. Now these titles can change different colors. So and I want to set the background color as well. Let's go into background color. So background type I'm now selecting classic. Here it was gradient, and let color is green. Water. So here are buttons like add to cart, select options. So if you want, you can change the button text color as well as the button background color. So let I'm making button background color is yellow. Okay. And button text color is red. And button radius if you want to increase or decrease. So it will be like this. Right. Now this much is okay. Now you can publish it. So do you want to display? Do you want to display it? So if you want add a condition, you can add on which condition to display. So now if you come to the shopping page, now just refresh it. So still now my shopping page is same page as well, like what I have changed right now, that is the template, but it is not reflecting still now with the shopping page because the template is not assigned to the shopping page. So now my next step is, if assign that. Now we are going back to the dashboard. You have to go to the pages. So we have that shopping page, shop pages here. So we have cart, checkout, my account, refund and returns policy, and shop. What we shop here? Home, cart, checkout. Okay. Now we have to assign the templates here. You have to select the add condition. Okay, so it includes review, so it will includes. So which one you want to include for the shop page? Okay, once that is done, save and close. That is published. Now, if we go to the shop page, it will show the new template. Okay. Now from here you can do your job. So we have to now create the template for each and every product and all these things. So this is the landing page, right, of the shop. So here if we and publish also. So accordingly it will now go on changing the things. You can refresh and see. So this is the basic concept of your template.